Looking to add a touch of natural elegance to your indoor space? Cascading plants are the perfect way to bring texture, movement, and vibrant greenery into your home. From delicate trailing vines to dramatic foliage that flows like a living waterfall, these plants can transform any corner into a stunning green retreat. Let's dive into the most beautiful indoor cascading plants you'll want to grow and display. Rake's Begonia Vine, or Cissus javana, is a spectacular trailing plant admired for its velvety leaves and striking silver patterns. Despite its name, it isn't a true begonia but belongs to the grape family. The elongated leaves feature shimmering silver markings contrasted by deep green and burgundy tones, making this plant a standout in hanging baskets and indoor displays. It thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates moderate humidity to maintain its vibrant foliage. With its cascading growth habit and dramatic coloration, Rake's Begonia Vine adds a touch of tropical elegance and artistic beauty to any indoor plant collection. Ruby's Necklace, or Otona capensis, is a fast-growing trailing succulent prized for its colorful cascading stems and unique bean-shaped leaves. The foliage ranges from green to vibrant shades of purple and ruby red when grown in bright light, creating a dramatic waterfall effect. Delicate yellow flowers bloom throughout the year, adding extra charm to this eye-catching plant. Easy to care for and highly drought-tolerant, it thrives in sunny locations with well-draining soil. Whether displayed in a hanging basket or elevated planter, Ruby's Necklace brings bold color, texture, and elegance to any indoor plant collection. Swiss Cheese Vine, or Monstera deliciosa, is a stunning tropical plant admired for its uniquely perforated leaves that develop natural splits and holes as they mature. Its long, trailing stems can gracefully cascade from elevated planters or be trained to climb, adding a lush jungle vibe to indoor spaces. Thriving in bright, indirect light, this easy-care plant is both resilient and visually striking. The distinctive foliage creates texture and depth, making it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Whether trailing or climbing, Swiss Cheese Vine brings a bold, exotic touch and vibrant greenery to any indoor plant collection. Philodendron Brazil, or Philodendron Hedraceum Brazil. It brings a splash of tropical artistry to any indoor space. Its trailing stems are adorned with heart-shaped leaves painted in bold strokes of emerald green and luminous lime, making every vine look like a living masterpiece. As the plant matures, it forms a dense cascade of colorful foliage that gracefully spills from hanging baskets and shelves. Remarkably easy to maintain, it flourishes with minimal attention and rewards growers with vigorous growth year-round. Whether displayed alone or among other houseplants, Philodendron Brazil instantly brightens interiors with its vibrant personality and flowing elegance. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. It instantly softens indoor spaces with its arching fronds and delicate, lace-like texture. The dense foliage forms a graceful green cascade, making it one of the most elegant plants for hanging baskets and elevated planters. Its naturally flowing growth habit creates a sense of movement, bringing freshness and vitality to any room. Thriving in bright, indirect light and humid conditions, this classic fern rewards proper care with abundant, vibrant growth. Whether displayed in a cozy corner or as a focal point, Boston Fern adds timeless beauty and a touch of woodland charm indoors. Inch Plant, Tradescantia zebrina. Inch plant dazzles with its striking striped foliage, where shimmering silver bands contrast beautifully against deep green and purple hues. The trailing stems grow quickly, creating a vibrant cascade that spills effortlessly from hanging baskets and shelves. As light catches the leaves, their metallic sheen adds an extra layer of visual appeal. This adaptable houseplant thrives in bright, indirect light and is remarkably easy to propagate, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. With its bold colors, fast growth, and graceful trailing habit, Inch plant brings energy and character to any indoor plant display. Burro's tail or Sedum morganianum. It captivates with its long, trailing stems densely covered in plump, blue-green leaves. As the stems lengthen, they drape elegantly over the edges of hanging baskets, creating the appearance of cascading living ropes. The fleshy foliage stores water, allowing this succulent to thrive with minimal care and infrequent watering. Bright light helps maintain its compact growth and attractive coloration. Over time, mature plants may even produce delicate pink to reddish flowers. With its distinctive texture and graceful trailing form, Burro's tail adds a unique sculptural element to indoor gardens and succulent collections. String of turtles or Peperomia prostrata. It enchants plant lovers with its tiny round leaves patterned like miniature turtle shells. Delicate trailing stems weave together to form a lush cascade, making this charming plant a standout in hanging baskets and decorative planters. Its intricate leaf markings create a fascinating display that draws attention even from a distance. Thriving in bright, indirect light, this compact houseplant remains manageable while steadily producing new growth. The combination of unique foliage, graceful trailing vines, and easy-care nature makes String of Turtles a delightful addition to any indoor plant collection. String of Nickels or Dischidia nummularia. It stands out with its cascading chains of thick, cone-shaped leaves that resemble a string of tiny green coins. The compact foliage grows closely along slender trailing stems, creating a dense and elegant curtain of greenery. Native to tropical regions, this fascinating epiphytic plant naturally grows on trees, adding to its unique appeal. It thrives in bright, filtered light and appreciates moderate humidity, rewarding growers with vigorous, trailing growth. With its unusual leaf shape and graceful habit, String of Nickels brings texture, character, and a touch of tropical charm to indoor spaces. Silver Sateen pothos. Epipremnum aureum. It captivates with its cascading vines adorned with velvety leaves dusted in shimmering silver markings. The striking foliage catches the light beautifully, creating a subtle metallic effect that adds elegance and sophistication to indoor spaces. Its trailing stems flow effortlessly from hanging baskets and shelves, forming a lush waterfall of textured greenery. Adaptable and easy to maintain, this plant thrives in bright, indirect light and tolerates a range of indoor conditions. With its distinctive foliage and graceful growth habit, Silver Sateen pothos brings timeless beauty and tropical charm to any plant collection. Fishbone cactus or Discocactus anguilija. It fascinates with its deeply lobed stems that resemble the intricate skeleton of a fish. As the segmented foliage grows longer, it cascades gracefully from hanging baskets, creating a bold and architectural display. Unlike many desert cacti, this tropical species enjoys bright, indirect light and occasional moisture. Its unusual zigzag form adds texture and visual interest, making it a favorite among collectors of unique houseplants. Under the right conditions, mature plants may even produce fragrant night-blooming flowers, adding another layer of beauty to this extraordinary indoor cascading plant. Silver dollar vine. Xerosisios dangui. It captures attention with its round, silvery green leaves that resemble a string of tiny coins suspended along slender stems. As the plant matures, its vines gracefully trail and spill over the edges of pots, creating a modern and sculptural display. Native to Madagascar, this drought-tolerant succulent stores water in its fleshy foliage, making it remarkably easy to maintain. It thrives in bright light and rewards growers with steady, elegant growth. With its distinctive cone-shaped leaves and cascading habit, Silver dollar vine adds a contemporary touch and unique texture to any indoor plant collection. Wax plant. Hoya carnosa. It charms with its cascading vines and thick, glossy leaves that bring a touch of tropical elegance to indoor spaces. The trailing stems gracefully spill from hanging baskets, creating a lush and refined display. Beyond its attractive foliage, this beloved houseplant is known for producing clusters of star-shaped, waxy flowers that often release a sweet fragrance. Adaptable and long-lived, it thrives in bright, indirect light and rewards patience with steady growth and spectacular blooms. With its combination of beauty, resilience, and floral charm, the wax plant is a treasured addition to any indoor collection. String of pearls. Curio Roleinus is one of the most distinctive trailing succulents, admired for its cascading strands of perfectly round, bead-like leaves. The unusual foliage tumbles gracefully over the edges of hanging baskets, creating the appearance of living green necklaces. Each pearl-shaped leaf stores water, helping the plant thrive in bright conditions with minimal watering. Its elegant trailing habit and unique texture make it an instant conversation piece in any indoor setting. With its whimsical appearance and effortless charm, String of Pearls brings a touch of natural artistry and sophistication to indoor plant displays. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is celebrated for its graceful arching foliage and cascading baby plantlets that dangle like tiny green stars. The slender leaves, often striped with shades of green and cream, create a lush fountain of foliage that brightens any indoor space. As it matures, long stems emerge carrying miniature offsets, adding movement and charm to hanging baskets. Highly adaptable and easy to grow, this resilient houseplant thrives in a variety of indoor conditions. With its refreshing appearance and prolific growth, spider plant remains a timeless favorite for creating vibrant, living displays indoors.